Welcome back to Nazareto's channel. In this episode, guys and girls, I want to show you some DIY project that I wanted to challenge, and let me show you the issue that I'm having. So I have this very nice, beautiful countertop, but over the years, I've developed a little chip right here, as you see here, and somebody was loading like dishes into the sink and hit this part, and you see this little chip here. So there's our chip right here. It's kind of hard to see it because it's so clear. Yeah, right there, see this? And there's a product that I found, and it's easy to use, and you can do it yourself at home. This company, HIMG Surface Repair, and made in the United States. It fixes chips, nicks, and deep scratches in quartz, granite, tile, marble, porcelain, and more. So I thought before I do this project, try it, I want to actually share it with you. Fixes nicks, chips, gouges, deep scratches, and small holes. Repairs damages on porcelain, granite, acrylic, and other stone surfaces. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on a defect size. Non-toxic and 100% safe for food and prep areas. Countertops, sinks, bathtub, toilets, tiles, both for indoor and outdoor use. There's actually a picture before and after. Small repairs can be made with this kit. 12mm maximum suggested repair size. So let's see what's inside here. So inside this kit we have a UV light. This is for curing. We have our surface repair 1 gram material here that's going to be sealing the crack. Little manual. There's a sandpaper, cleaning cloth, and a little like stick to make it smoother. So we have very coarse sandpaper and then very fine sandpaper. And after that you can use this polish to finish the area, polish it up, and also alcohol prep. And there's like this strip that you apply to even out the surface. So this kit comes with like a blue ultraviolet light, so for curing the material. It doesn't have a battery included, but still it's a nice little flashlight. Also this filling kit comes with a nice like a syringe and with a very nice fine tip to fill the cracks. So you just gotta screw it on here. Yeah, so all the tools you need for this job are here. So in this first step it says clean the defect and the surrounding area so it's free from dust and dirt. You can start cleaning. Where is it? Right here. Clean it very good. Make sure it's dry too later. This is our area. Now for this part, take clear tape and put 2 sticky sides together and just, you know, cut like into a square or rectangle, because the idea is we want to put it here. And we're gonna start filling the gap, you see? And once it's filled, we're gonna like close it over like this. See, we're creating like a little shape. So I'm gonna tape this part to here. You see what I'm doing here? I'm taking this part and I just tape it like so. Because we're gonna fill this gap. We're gonna fill this. And then once it's filled, I'm just gonna close it like this. This is our chip right here. And once I filled it, I'm gonna cover it like this. So in this step, it says place an applicator tip on a light cure acrylic syringe and apply a small amount of repair into the affected area. For the best results, do not overfill. A perfectly filled and cured repair will not require sanding or polishing. We suggest that you make repairs in small sections, no larger than 1/4 of a 6 mm. And if it says deeper damages will require curing in layers, additional coloring of a light cure acrylic repair material can be purchased. So place the included curing strip on the top of the uncured light. So I put this little tip on the syringe, I screw it in. So this is our syringe. I think this is good. And now I'm supposed to put this curing strip over it like this, and I'm also gonna close it. So the good thing about this is non-sticky unless you apply light. And you're supposed to work this material in like this. With this stick that's provided. And now use the UV light, 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes should be good. Cure it. I'm just holding this UV light close, like this, 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's try removing this tape. Carefully. So this is our area right there. Can't even see it. I'm still gonna take the sandpaper, lightly sand it down. Same thing on this side. Feels very smooth right now. Little bit shady, a little bit like, you know, discolored, like a white discolor, but that's okay. And I'm gonna apply the smaller paper, sandpaper. This one right here. Smooth. Now it's much smoother. Yep. Now we're gonna wipe it off with alcohol again. I'm just gonna wipe it off before I buff it out. Now take this buffer thing, put like one dab here, That's maybe too much. And just start polishing. Circular motion. So start polishing, keep polishing it off. Circular motion like this. It polishes and protects it. You can't even tell where it is anymore. I don't know if you can see the camera, but this was right here. This chip was right here. So after you polish it off, it looks good. It looks very nice. So it protected the area where the chip was. Now it's covered and it's protected. Make sure to use this UV light for like 5-7 minutes. Just let it sit there, and then when it's done, remove the tape, feel it, clean the area. I can clean it again with alcohol, and use this for uneven surfaces. Like if it's uneven, sand it down lightly, clean it with alcohol, and then go for the smallest sandpaper lightly. And then once you clean it off, clean it with alcohol again, and then start buffing the area with the provided blitz. It says polish and protector for metal and fiberglass and everything else. So this was our chip right there, and as you see, it's like practically invisible. So thanks for watching Nazareto's channel. I really hope this video was helpful. You can try it yourself on some of the chips, but go to their website, HIMG, and choose the right product that's right for you, whether it's clear or you need to color it. But this is non-toxic. It only dries with the light, the provided blue light, and this stuff works. So good luck with your project. Thanks for watching.